Hey folks, Pullerbear Guy here. It's Monday, July 15th, 2024, and this is Tuesday, July 16th ship list. So if you're waiting for a polar bear and you think it might be shipped soon, listen for your town name and the model number. And here we go. We got a Pro XL 321 going to Walpole, New Hampshire, Pro XL 321 Red Bank, New Jersey, Pro XL 321 to Ameliasburg, Ontario, Pro XL 321 to Los Altos Hills, California, Pro XL 321 Minneapolis, Minnesota, two Pro XLs to Intervale, New Hampshire, Cub XL Baltimore, Maryland, Pro XL to Linwood, Washington, Pro XL to Idaho City, Idaho, Cub XL to Lyndhurst, Ohio, Pro XL to Wasilla, Alaska, hometown of Sarah Palin. Remember her? She can see Russia from her porch. We got a Pro XL 321 and a Cub Light XL to Amboy, Washington, Cub XL to Wakefield, Rhode Island, Pro XL 321 to Franklin, Wisconsin, and another Pro XL 321 to Franklin, Wisconsin. Not to the same person, so it's odd. Two people in the same town in Wisconsin ordered a polar bear on the same day and exactly the same one. We have a Grip XL to Atlanta, Georgia, Pro XL 321 to Fort Wayne, Indiana, Grip XL 21 to Cottage Grove, Minnesota, Grip XL to Townsend, Delaware, Pro XL 321 to Urbana, Illinois, Pro XL 321 to Orono, Maine, Pro XL 321 to Highland Park, Michigan, and finally a Pro XL 321 to Salem, Virginia. Anyway, this is Tuesday's July 16th ship list, and I will be back tomorrow with it'll be Wednesday's ship list. And if you're waiting for your polar bear, just keep checking back and recognize your town and the model you ordered, then it's going to be on its way to you very soon. Anyway, if you want an update, just click the bell and give us a like and give us a follow, and you'll get updates on the next ship list video. Thanks. Take care.